Just want to thank you again for joining us on another webinar that we have going on with Forsters. I have with us Bruce Barak with us. He's going to go over their full product line. If you're not appointed with Forsters, please give me a call after this webinar and you're going to want to join right away. So, Bruce, how's it going?
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kathy, for giving myself and Foresters Financial this opportunity to engage with your downline and talk about, give an overview really to Foresters, who we are, what we are, because sometimes people won't think of us as a household name, but we really should be, considering that we've been around for 151 years and we've been rated A excellent by AM Best for over the last 2 decades. At Foresters, there's things that we do that really will make sure that we're taking care of more of your clients and making sure that we help you become a little bit more successful. When I take a look at Foresters, you can see there is our office. That's not current. That's circa 1905 in Toronto, Canada. We are not a Canadian company. We are an international life insurance and financial services carrier that does business in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. As I mentioned, we've been around for 151 years, protecting people and serving families alike. We have a surplus of over $1.6 billion. And as I mentioned, we've been rated A excellent by AM Best for 24 straight years. And that truly is a feather in our cap because it shows the viability, the financial strength, and the future outlook being stable that we have at Foresters. Now, one of the biggest advantages that we have at Foresters as a fraternal benefit company is that we don't pay taxes. We don't pay state tax. We don't pay federal tax. But whatever we would normally pay in taxation, we give a benefit to our members, to our member-based activities and initiatives, to charitable giving, to giving back to the communities we work in, the communities that we live in, because not necessarily are the communities that we live in the same communities that we work in. And at Foresters, we give you a full portfolio of products that's really going to help your clients in their darkest hours. At Foresters, when I take a look at our underwriting promise, we have 3 paths you can go down with our products. There is a simplified issue non-med, there's accelerated underwriting, and then there's full medical. We have products that satisfy all 3. Yes, a majority is our simplified issue non-med and accelerated underwriting, because we live in a society where things are instantaneous. We no longer want 3-minute rice, we want minute rice. We want things that are done efficiently, effectively, and as expeditiously as possible. So as you see, whether it's our term, our par whole life, our universal life, our final expense, our juvenile whole life, or our accidental death term products, we do have the opportunity to issue them on a simplified issue non-medical basis, whether it's paper or e-app. No blood, no urine, no APS, no paramed. We will take the application, we will review it, and we will pull an MIB, a prescription check, do an ID and banking verification, and we can render a decision off of all of that information. Now, you will see also that we have a number of products that overlap into categories. We have the Your Term product that can be done either as a simplified issue or fully underwritten or accelerated underwriting, depending on how that client feels about which criteria they measure up to and how much of a face amount that they are looking at. We have a number of term products that will fit the needs of you and your client. So we have the your term and the strong foundation term. We also have permanent products, being the Smart UL and then participating whole life. The Smart UL is not an index UL, it is not an IUL. It is a cash accumulation universal life product based on the Forrester's investment portfolio. We are currently offering the Smart UL with a crediting rate of 4.55%, and it has a guaranteed interest rate of 2%. And again, can be offered on a simplified issue non-med, fully underwritten, or accelerated underwriting. When we talk about participating whole life, we have two products. We have the Advantage Plus 2, which, like the Smart UL, can encompass all three underwriting pathways: simplified issue, fully underwriting, and accelerated underwriting. We also recently introduced the Live Well Plus product. It is revolutionary to the life insurance industry in that it offers an e-app platform that offers fluidless decisions. No blood, no urine, no APS, no paramed. Just take the application. Now make sure that you pre-qualify or pre-select your client before starting this process. But within the application process, you are going to attain a decision on whether your client qualifies under the accelerated underwriting platform that the Live Well Plus underwriting lives up to. And somebody up to age 50 as a preferred or preferred plus opportunity can attain up to $2 million of life insurance. So again, a real quick, expeditious, fluidless opportunity through the Live Well Plus platform. We have the Plan Right Final Expense, 3 plans, preferred, standard, basic, built into the one product. Paper or Aptical Live app that you will attain a decision in a expeditious fashion in order to take care of your senior age clients a little bit quicker. There is the Bright Future, which is a juvenile whole life product, which is available for those clients from 15 days up to 17 years old. Available for parents or grandparents to buy on their children or grandchildren. It's something that is absolutely worthwhile because we all know individuals who have lived to be 100 or 90 or 80. But we also know people that have died in their 30s, in their 20s, as teenagers or younger. It's sad, but everyone needs some sort of protection. If you can offer a grandparent the opportunity in a follow-up to protect their grandkids, to offer some kind of life insurance, and they can have it paid up in 10 years, and the product comes with a guaranteed insurability rider that is complimentary, so that child, if something was to happen to their health, has the opportunity to purchase more life insurance to their bright future later on in life without any further underwriting. It's an ideal product to have in your portfolio as a follow-up to all of your senior age clients. We also have the Prepared 2, which is an accidental death term product. Yes, accidental death is a worthwhile product. It is needed in your portfolio. For those individuals that may not qualify for traditional life insurance, but still want some kind of insurance, or for those people based on their life or health lifestyle, may be susceptible to an accidental death because this product only pays in an accidental death. And in some states, it does have the return of premium rider available to be placed on it. So again, you have a full portfolio of products with Foresters and 3 paths to go down, whether it's simplified issue non-medical, fully underwritten, or the accelerated underwriting. We give you options to take care of your clients. At Foresters, we also have and accept ITIN business. So for those individuals in the United States that do not have a Social Security number, but are still looking to purchase life insurance, we do have a program. Now, it's only available on the Smart UL, the Advantage Plus, the Your Term, and Strong Foundation products. They must be between 18 and 65. We only have the availability of up to $500,000 per person for all of the products combined together. They don't need a Social Security number, but they must have an ITIN number. They must be paying U.S. taxes, working or retired in the United States, and have lived here at least the last 3 years. They must have a U.S. physician, U.S. bank account, and they would have to meet citizenship guidelines. If you want more information on this program, contact our sales support desk for more information in regards to how we take care of more Americans. We also give technology to you at your fingertips. You can log on when you are appointed with us to our website, www.foresters.com. You can gain more trainings, look at our products. You can order supplies, get more sales strategies. We also have the forestersmobile.com. Download it to your phone so that you can do the quick quoter on a majority of our products so that you have it right there, readily accessible when you need it with a client. And since you are looking at the App Store, go in and put Foresters Biz. That will allow you to download the Foresters Biz mobile app to your phone so that you can log on when you have a few moments before your next appointment to look at your business as it goes through the Foresters pipeline, from application to issuing, and if there are any other requirements that are needed during the time frame in order for it to move from applying to issue. At Foresters, we have a great support system. We have our sales support desk. They are there to help you be more successful. Give them a call, 866-466-7166, extension 1. They are there to help you, to assist you when you need it. If you need help with an illustration or a quote, you need supplies, you need information, you have a question. We have a lot of marketing material available on our website as well. At Foresters, we are partners in taking care of your clients. And this is my team. Myself, Jim, Tom, Andrew, Durkis, we are here, plus the hundreds at Foresters House, to help you be more successful in taking care of more clients and in really building your portfolio. And we also have our sales support desk, which I call Phone a Friend. And if you have your phones out, go ahead and hit the QR code and save the Foresters product playbook to your phone. It will give you an awful lot of information about our products, about our fraternal background, about the member benefits, which are going to make you more successful in attaining more appointments, more yeses to what you're talking about. The clients are going to keep it on the books a lot longer because they're going to see the value add of the Foresters products, and you are going to attain more referrals as a result. At Foresters, we are driven to share, not shareholder driven.
Bruce, thank you so much for going over that and taking the time to help us and sharing with your products. You guys got a lot of good products out there that I think everybody should be aware of what your opportunities are for them. You're hitting basically the young 15-day-old all the way to the older adults. So what a great opportunity for them to sit here and get a chance to view everything quickly. If you need help getting set up with Foresters or have any questions about Foresters, please reach out to my team. 800-365-8208. My extension is, our team extension is 607. We're here to help you. Foresters is here to help you. There should be no reason that you have any questions or problems. I mean, you got both areas for support. So thanks again, Bruce. Look forward to talking to you next week. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.